Landworks versus SuperHandy. These two machines show up constantly in the same search results, the same Amazon comparisons, and the same buyer decision moments. Both are 7 horsepower, 3-inch capacity, gas-powered chippers in the $500 to $600 range. On paper, they look almost identical. In practice, there are real differences worth knowing before you spend your money. Links to both are in the description. Let's get into it. Specs: head-to-head Landworks Super Heavy Duty. 7 HP, $571, 7 horsepower, 3-in-1 multifunction. Compact rotor assembly, 792 reviews at 4.2 stars. SuperHandy mini wood chipper, 7 horsepower, $549, 7 horsepower, 3-inch capacity, heavy-duty compact design, 11 reviews. The price difference is $22. The review count difference is massive, 792 versus 11. That gap tells a story. Design and build Landworks uses a compact rotor assembly design that the brand describes as super heavy duty. The 3-in-1 functionality covers chipping, shredding, and mulching in a single machine. The compact footprint is genuinely compact. Owners consistently report it fits in the bed of a standard pickup truck. SuperHandy builds this machine specifically for portability and compact storage. The mini designation is not false advertising. This is a machine designed to live in your garage without dominating the space. 7 horsepower in a compact frame means it is not as heavy as full-size commercial machines. Both are 3-inch capacity. Both use similar horsepower ratings. The build philosophy is slightly different. Landworks leans on heavy-duty durability language, while SuperHandy leans on compact and portable. Reviews and buyer data. This is where the decision gets easy. 792 Landworks buyers gave it 4.2 stars. 11 SuperHandy buyers gave it 3.9 stars. The SuperHandy is a newer listing. The low review count likely reflects that, not necessarily poor quality, but when you're spending $500 plus, newer to market means less data to rely on. Edge, Landworks clearly. Check both current prices in the description. Prices change regularly, and a sale could close the gap or widen it. The verdict. If you want the proven choice with nearly 800 verified buyers behind it, buy Landworks. 792 reviews at 4.2 stars is one of the strongest track records in the 3-inch chipper category. If the SuperHandy compact design genuinely fits your storage situation better and you are comfortable with a newer listing, it is a reasonable alternative, especially if the price drops below $500. Both links are in the description below. Subscribe, and we will see you in the next comparison.